How are you everyone? Fine. In our last lecture, we discussed about the concept of finding the area of quadrilateral by using Heron's formula. What we were doing in that? By drawing the diagonal, we divide the whole quadrilateral into different triangles, and then one by one we find out the area of both the triangle, and in last we add them all. So this way we will get the area of the quadrilateral by using Heron's formula. Now we are going to start our exercise 12.2, which is based on that concept. Here in question number 1 it is given a park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD has angle C is of 90 degree. So this angle is of 90 degree. AB is given 9, BC 12, CD 5 and AD 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? So here we can see, students, this is a quadrilateral, this is our diagonal. This side is common for both the triangle, for triangle ABD as well as for triangle BCD. So here we are having 4 measures, but when I will divide it into triangle, we require this side also. So as this is a right angle triangle, by using base and height, I can find out this hypotenuse. So in triangle BCD, we will find out area of triangle BCD by using area of triangle BCD. First of all, as we told, we will find out third side by using Pythagoras. So here in triangle BCD, BD square is equals to BC square plus CD square. BC, that is 12 square plus here 5 square. So 144 plus 25, that will be 169. So BC will be 13. So this is our missing side which we want to find. Now this is a right angle triangle, students. So by using the formula 1/2 base into height, so I will find out the area of this portion. And in this, by using A, B, C, we will apply Heron's formula. So we will get the answer of the triangle also, and in last we will add them both. Is equals to 1/2 base into height. Here 1/2, 12 into 5, 2 6, that is 30 meters square. So area of this portion is 30 meters square. Now I want to find out area of triangle ABD. So again in triangle ABD, A is equals to 9, B is equals to 8 and C is equals to 13. First of all, we will find out semi-perimeter. S is equals to A plus B plus C upon 2, that is 9 plus 8 plus 13 upon 2, 21 plus 190, 9, that is 30, 30 upon 2, that is 15 meter is my semi-perimeter. Now we will apply Heron's formula in this. So here area of triangle ABD is equals to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Our semi-perimeter is 15. 15 minus 9, 15 minus 8 and 15 minus 13. Now 15 will remain as it is. 15 minus 9, that is 6. Here 7. Here 2. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6 into 7 into 2. 3 2 times. 2 2 times. So 3 into 2 and 5 7s are 35. In under root sign we will put. Now by long division method we will find out the value of under root 35. So 6 into 5.916, that will be 35.5 meters square approx. This is approximately value. Now area of quadrilateral is equals to area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD. So here it will be 30 plus 35.5. So that will be 65.5 meters square. So these way students, what we have done, first of all by using Pythagoras we find out the length of the diagonal, which is a common side for both the triangle. After that, as this is given, this is a right angle triangle, we applied here 1/2 base into height, and we found the area of this portion. After that, for this triangle we apply Heron's formula and we find out area of this, that is 35.5 meters square. Now in last I want to find out the area of whole quadrilateral, so I will add both the triangle and finally I will get the area of the quadrilateral. Now refer your next sum. Now in question number 2 it is given, find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equals to 3 cm, BC 4 cm, CD 4 cm, DA 5 cm and SE 5 cm. So here we can see students, here whole quadrilateral is divided in two triangles and here all the sides are given, so no need to find out the missing side. Directly we can apply the Heron's formula in both of the triangle and in last we will add them both. So here first of all we are taking triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, A is equals to 5 cm, B is equals to 3 cm, C is equals to 4 cm. So first of all we will find out semi-perimeter. S is equals to A plus B plus C upon 2, 5 plus 3 plus 4 upon 2, 12 upon 2, that will be 6 cm. Now apply Heron's formula to find out its area. So area of triangle ABC is equals to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now replace the value in place of S, A, B and C. Our S is 6. Here 6 minus 5, 6 minus 3 and 6 minus 4. So here 6, 1, 3, 2. Its multiplication 36. So its square root will be 6 centimeter square. So these way students, we will get the area of this portion 6 centimeter square. Now same way, by using this formula we will find out area of this portion. So again we will apply the same concept in triangle ADC. Now again in triangle ADC, A is equals to 3 centimeter, B is equals to 4 centimeter, and C is equals to 5 centimeter. So first of all, we will find out semi-perimeter for this also. Three plus 4 plus 5 . This is 5 plus 5 plus 4. So this is 5, 4, 5. So 5, 4, 5. This is 14. 14 upon 2, that is 7 centimeter. Now again apply. Area of triangle ADC is equals to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is 7, 7 minus 5, 7 minus 4, 7 minus 5. So here 7, 2, 3, 2. So 2, 7, 3s are 21. Now by long division, find out the square root of 21. That is 4.6. So 9.2 centimeter square will be the area of this portion. Now add them both, so we will get the answer of this quadrilateral. So here area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to 6 plus 9.2, that is 15.2 centimeter square. So these way, students, we will get the answer of the quadrilateral. Now we will discuss third sum. Only discussion we will do here right now. Based on that, you supposed to solve that sum at your home. In my next session, again I will calculate that sum so that you can verify whether your answer is right or not. So this is your homework of the day. Today we are going to discuss the logic of question number 3, and that you supposed to solve at home. Is it clear to everyone? So refer your question number 3. Now in question number 3 it is given, Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in figure. Find the total area of the paper used. So this type of one plane she is making by using colored paper. So how much paper is used to prepare this, that we supposed to find. So here our first shape is in triangle shape. So first of all we will find out area of this triangle. Second shape is given in rectangular form. So here we will find out the area of rectangle. Third portion is in trapezium shape. So here area of trapezium we will find, and these two wings are same. So this wing is in the form of right angle triangle. So 1 upon 2 base into height we will apply in this. So multiply whatever answer we are getting for one triangle, we will multiply it by 2 so that we will get the area of both the wings. So these way, students, area of first part, area of second part, area of third, fourth and fifth part. These way, by using different formula of that shape, we will find out the area separately, and in last we will add them all So we will get the total area of the paper used to make this aeroplane. So these way students, you supposed to solve this sum in your homework, and then in next lecture I will solve this sum so that you can verify your answer. Till that, keep doing practice. Have a nice time. Goodbye.
आभार।